So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first time to sit down vlog again for a month. Right now guys, I'm doing a review for the Gallon tea. But anyways, before we start pala, I just want to share to you our ongoing giveaway until hindi pa tayo 30,000 dito sa ating YouTube channel. We are still giving away this Fujifilm X-A10. Okay, this Fujifilm X-A10. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos and giving feedbacks about it. And yep, gusto ko lang din i-level up yung video natin dahil meron na nga tayong subtitle for this video. And I just want to say thank you again for supporting me. I just received a very special, very special package from last night. Galing siya sa friend kong si Chase. Hi Chase. Wow. Ang pangalan niya is Gallon Tea. Basically, a milk tea in a gallon. Actually, may bawas na siya. Tried and Mommy tried also si JB tinry niya, and it was actually good. We got 2 gallons here. Medyo mabigat siya for me. Nakakatuwa na the packaging is really big, 10 to 15 servings. So nakakatuwa rin na meron siyang free na tapioca. I don't know if that's free. I'm not sure. But nakita ko pala doon na merong bayad yung tapioca, yung mismong sago. Kasi it comes with a sago, nata de coco. Pag may ganito ka, mag-add ka ng 100 pesos. 500 pesos for 1 gallon of milk tea. So, makikita nyo rin sa IG page nila. Ayan, sa Gallon Tea page sa IG. Kung ano yung, kung nandun na rin actually yung number and other details about the product. 500 for the classic milk tea. 1 gallon with winter melon milk tea for 600 pesos. So, basically, it's 700 pesos. Parang 7 na milk tea lang yung kasha doon sa totoo lang in real life pag bumili tayo sa mga other milk tea stuff. Gallon tea is the first gallon milk tea in the Philippines. Perfect na perfect siya, like for me, like a milk tea lover. Negative part about it is you cannot control the sweetness as of now because I talked to my friend Chase a while ago. And he said na hindi pa nga talaga makokontrol as of now kasi hindi pa nila alam kung paano yung ma-manage yun. Kasi kaka-start pa lang ng business in just a month. And it's really good actually. For me, it's really a highly recommendable item or product because basically it's a very smart idea. That's why I'm giving a review right now. Practical. Mga milk tea lovers dyan, mahilig talagang mag-milk tea, mag-avail kayo. Yung flavor, it's actually super nice. It's sobrang sarap. Lalo na yung pearls nila, hindi siya yung sagi na yung akala mo hindi siya masarap na baka matigas, ganyan. But it's actually soft and super delicious. Plus, the nata de coco, as in typical na nata de coco, sobrang sarap talaga. Basically, meron tayo dito, hindi ko alam kung makikita natin siya close. Baka matapong kasi yung sauce. But we have here the nata de coco, tapioca pearls, look at that. Ganyan yung itsura ng pearls niya. Gawa na tayo ng milk tea. Wow, do it yourself milk tea. Ikaw mismo nagtitimpla ng sarili mo milk tea. Milk tea talaga sa mga sa mga go-to drinks ko, lalo na pag nasa malls and everything. Pag nasa labas, basta yun. Lagyan mo siya ng sago. Medyo naging sticky lang siya kasi nalagay ko sa ref. Kung nilalagay sa ref, meron tayong nata de coco dito. Ang sarap. Ganito lang. Ganyan na siya. Meron na tayong simple as that. Ilalagay lang naman natin yung milk tea. Yes! So, cheers to that. Mas masarap kasi siya pag inahalo eh. For me ha. Para ano. And then guys, advice pala if masyado kang health conscious or too sweet for you, just put ice lang. Put ice on the milk tea para at least yung sweetness niya hindi ganun ka, no? So, yun isa sa mga tip. Since hindi pa nila makontrol yung yung sweetness ng milk tea. But I tried it last night. Sobrang sarap eh. It's actually good. So guys, if you want to have a milk tea challenge with other vloggers or influencers, just let me know in the comment section kung sinong gusto nyong ka-collab ko. And cheers to that. Cheers! Maubos ko na siya. Sobrang sarap. Super happy ko for this one. So, sinare ko siya actually in Twitter and dami nagtatag. Medyo nagtitrending yung, hindi naman sobrang trending, but nagtitrending yung thread na ginawa ko. And nakakatuwa na dumami yung followers nila sa Instagram. Hindi ko na kailangan gumastos ng milk tea sa labas. Pwede pa magbaon. Sarap. Naubos ko na yung aking glass. But anyways guys, yun yung review ko for the gallon milk tea. It's highly for me, it's highly recommendable, lalo na sa mga big parties. For 700 pesos, meron ka ng tapioca. Tapos yung 600 pesos na winter milk tea, it's actually super good. So guys, if you want to avail, just check it out on Instagram. They have their Instagram page at Gallon Tea. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you give a thumbs up and leave a comment and share this post if you want your friends na mahihilig sa mga milk tea, ganyan, na malaman to. Kasi it's actually a brand awareness also for the Gallon Tea. And it's really a very smart package. I mean, smart thing na ginawa nila. No! Very smart product, yeah. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon. Bye-bye! Woo!